What's the deal, YouTube? It's Randall. Happy New Year. You already know where we at. We at Mod FX. My man Jose's on vacation. We gonna hold it down while he's gone. So, as you can see, you look behind me, we got a couple of cool projects going on. We got a wide body Challenger over there getting some work done to it. We got the wide body that we're gonna be installing the exhaust on. We got a car in here getting a wide body, and we got some other projects in as well. So, staying busy, of course. I know it's been a while since we made the last video. We gonna keep it up, we gonna keep it going, and we gonna keep it coming. So without further ado, let's get to this exhaust. So as you can see, here is the factory OEM Dodge Charger wide body scat pack exhaust. You're gonna have your suitcase muffler in the middle, you're gonna have your OEM resonators at the back, and you're gonna have your OEM exhaust tips, which even with this car, it only has about 1,000 miles on it. They already look dirty, look grimy. They're not really a high polish finish, and so as you can see, it already looks like it's an old exhaust system. On the AWE system, you have a highly polished stainless steel finish. What that means is that if you touch it with your fingertips, you are going to leave fingerprints. But once you polish them up and hit them with that exhaust tip cleaner, you're going to be looking good. And so that is one thing you're going to notice quickly once you get this system installed. And so it's going to be a nice size exhaust tip that fills up the diffuser real nicely. As we make our way back, one main difference you'll see is that the muffler, you know, normally on the factory system, you're going to have a center muffler right here. You're going to have your muffler mounted at the rear. And so you have one muffler. And if you look at the bottom, you're going to see it's going to be stamped as the 180 technology by AWE. You have your welds here, look nice and sturdy. And then as we make our way down, one thing to be aware of is that there is nowhere for the factory exhaust valves to mount. The factory exhaust valves are going to be mounted to an aluminum block here away so that it doesn't throw a check engine code, but it's not going to interfere with the exhaust system that you're going to have here. So you're going to get full unadulterated exhaust notes coming through your system. You know, some systems you have X pipe. On here you're going to have an H pipe. That's when you come to the factory headers, and of course make our way up all the way to the front. Alright, so if you just watched the last part of the video, you saw the AWE exhaust. We did a cold start, gave it a couple of revs, let it idle down a little bit. Now we're going to compare that to a factory Dodge Charger scat pack exhaust, same engine. The car is a slim body, not a wide body, but other than that, they're exactly the same. And you get to see the differences between a stock OEM system and the AWE tuning system. So y'all stay tuned. option for your 392, your Hellcats, 6.2s as well. You'll see us doing some more of these in the future. Alright, so that was a quick video featuring the AWE exhaust for the Dodge Charger 6.2 and 6.4 liter engines. We also got a chance to compare it to the OEM 6.4 Scat Pack exhaust system. So in our opinion, it does sound real good. Gives you a nice deep tone. Something I'm probably going to consider for my Hellcat as well and a few of our other shop cars. But it's a solid system. You know, it did what it's supposed to do. It looks nice. What more can you ask for? So y'all will be seeing more of this system soon. You'll be seeing more of us soon. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one. All right, peace.